Well, hello and happy holidays. I'm Heidi Oxner, I'm the registered dietitian here at the Tummy Temple, and I'm here to shamelessly tell you about some amazing holiday gifts that you can get for your friends and family. Because we all know that everyone's got too much stuff. What do we want to give? We want to give people happiness. We want to give them health. We want to give them pain-free days. We want to give them less inflammation and way less anxiety. We want them to mellow out. We have all these options here for you that are locally handmade, small batch. This isn't a corporate deal. This is supporting your community and helping your friends and family have a better life. So how can you do that? We have Dr. Bliss. These are our tinctures that are CBD organic with fabulous, delicious flavors, lemon, peppermint, original, super easy to take and super therapeutically beneficial for decreasing pain, helping with sleep, decreasing anxiety. They're awesome. And then we have topicals, luxurious topicals that are great for pain. We have Body Bliss. Oh, it's wonderful. We have Castor Bliss for really getting in there. And then we have Beauty Bliss, which is, the name says it all, Beauty Bliss for the face. So I think that giving health is really going to be the new trendy gift for 2021. So come in today and make your family and friends the happiest they could be.